The next reaction is precipitation. Reaction. Precipitation reaction. What is precipitation reaction? A reaction or the reaction in which an insoluble precipitate or solid is formed when the reaction occurs between two solutions. For example, you have done the precipitation reaction you have done the double displacement reaction in laboratory. That is an example of precipitation reaction. For example, H2SO4 plus BaCl2, barium chloride and sulfuric acid. It will form BaSO4, that was solid, that is insoluble solid. BaSO4, this is a precipitate and it is shown in a reaction by a downward arrow. Precipitate is shown in a reaction by a downward arrow. Plus what it will form? It will form HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay. Now this was your first example. The second example is when you treat lead nitrate PbNO3, when you treat lead nitrate with sodium iodide or potassium iodide. Here we taken sodium iodide. So what it will form? It will form lead iodide Pbi2, lead iodide plus NaNO3, sodium nitrite, NaNO3. The another example is reaction between sodium chloride and silver nitrate. You have done this reaction, the third reaction, also in laboratory. So try to recall that reaction. Sodium chloride NaCl plus silver nitrate. We have taken silver nitrate, AgNO3, silver nitrate and sodium chloride. Then it will form, here you put downward arrow or you can write as S, small s, it represents solid or precipitate. You can also write here PPT, small ppt. All these three represents the same thing. So it will form here AgCl silver chloride plus NaNO3. Since this AgCl, PbI2, barium sulfate, all these are formed as precipitate PPT, or you can represent it as solid, or you can also represent it as downward by writing downward arrow near it. So all these are precipitate forming in this reaction. So this is known as precipitation reaction.